Hello children, welcome to online classes from Montbretia School. As I'm an English teacher, I'm going to take English grammar of class 4. So are you ready student? Let's start the class. Today student, I'm going to teach you the third chapter of English grammar kinds of sentence. Let's see what is written. We know that sentence differ in their nature. Some are informative, some ask questions, and some may convey order. Some may convey order, advice, threat, or request. Let's see how many things a sentence can do. So student, what this sentence want to explain you that a sentence differ in their nature. Nature can be a statement, can be of advice, for asking permission to someone, or for giving order, or taking the advice from someone, or threatening someone, right? The sentence may be different in their nature. So let's see. Sentence can do 4 kinds of things. So what the kinds? It is kinds of sentence. How many kinds of sentence are there, student? 4. 4 kinds of sentence. Let's check what given. These statements declare a fact about someone or something. A statement gives us some information about someone or something. Means what? This statement declare a fact. Declare a fact means what? Let's see. Rita is a good painter. So we are talking about giving information about someone. So here someone is Rita. Rita is what? She is a good painter, right? As I am an English teacher who is taking your class, right? Who is teaching in Montbretia School. This you declare the fact. I am teaching. Who teaching English grammar in class 4? So I am teaching. Jasmine teaching, right? So next example, so the earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around it is a universal fact. The parrots are sitting on the tree. So who sitting? Information about someone. To who someone is there? Parrots. Parrots are sitting around the parrots are sitting on the tree. Sorry student, it is written the parrots are sitting on the tree, right? Giving information. Understood? Let's see what is the definition. A sentence that states or declares something is called a declarative or an assertive sentence. All assertive or declarative, both are same. Sentence end with a full stop. Means what? Declarative or an assertive sentence end with a full stop. And what are those? Those sentences which give you declare a fact or give the information about someone or something, right student? I hope you have understood. Next you see, a student can ask a question. Now this is of this one. The first you will see the definition. This is the first kind of the sentence. What the first kind, student? Declarative or an assertive. The second one is the second kind of sentence we are going to study today, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So what is this? A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. All interrogative sentence end with a question mark. Very important. Very much important. We can easily recognize an interrogative sentence as it end with question mark, student. See the example. It is the example of what? Example of interrogative sentence. What is? See. Is she coming today? Question mark. Where are you going? Question mark. What did you see? Question mark. All these question marks means what the sentence about? Asking or requiring, inquiring. This sentence again you see, this sentence are asking or inquiry about something, right? The speaker of this sentence want to know something, right? What did you see? Want to know something. Where you see the question marks, and if something to be asked, that question will be, that sentence become interrogative sentence, student. Okay, I hope so you have understood. You have understood the point. So today my homework to learn this 3 point. Remember this one. Remember the second, the definition of declarative, and third, the definition of interrogative. These 3 points learn by heart and wait for my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Bye.